Yesterday was my second ski race since I've got back into it. It was a 10k ocean race around the side of Maggie Island, and it was horrendous. My only goal was not to fall in, and I did. I had a terrible night's sleep because I was nervous. And catching the ferry over to the island, it was just so windy and white caps, and I was scared. There was white caps, there was water coming over the boat itself, and I just kept going back and back and back into the field. I jumped in, managed to stay on in the roughest part, which surprises me, and in an area where I shouldn't have fallen out for some reason, I just did. So I finished it and had the shits basically. Amanda came running up all happy and I was quite yucky to her, so apologies for that. I said, that's it, I'm done. I'm not going to do any more surf skiing, but today's a different day and I've learned and I am going to do more, and I just have only done 7 paddles, so walk before you run.